Hey friends, if you wish to convert a Word document into a Google Doc, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, both of them usually have the same format. It could be DOC or DOCX, but it is usually the same. All you need to do is click on File, select Save As, browse, go to a good location, and then make sure that the Save As type is Word document, which is basically DOCX. So click on Save. Okay, it will start saving the file, and once it has saved the file at the location, okay, you can also check its type. It is what do we say, a docx file. All you need to do is upload it to Google Drive. Click on new file, upload, go to the location and upload the file. Okay, let me show you. So we can upload it, and once we upload the file, we can open it and it will open as a Google Doc. Okay. Now this Google Doc online does not have an extension of its own because it is online. It's not a local file. So if you wish to save it, you can save it in any format. Click on File, Download, and select any format of your choice. But DOCX is the default one usually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.